Guys, today we are making crispy potato flour. Peel the potato like this. We should chop potato like chip. Like this. We should chop the potato like this. Add salt in the water. And chopped potato you put into the water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the potato peels and do like this. Put the stick into the potato flour. Like this. And it's ready. Put the potato into the oil. Wait till it gets fried. Now it is fried, remove. Now add peri peri for as your taste. Finally, now crispy potato flour is ready to eat. If you like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye.